So people have asked me, what's the deal with the collar? And they may laugh, but it has truly worked. This cat, they were both feral cats and they're sisters. This cat was killing birds, and the collar I've got is birdsbesafe.com, and it has truly worked. If you can see the difference between the two cats, the one without the collar is a lot heavier than this one because she's been eating more wild animals. If you want to know more about how this collar works and more info or videos, please send me a message. I'd be glad to tell you, but I can't speak enough about this collar and how great it has done and worked.